Welcome to the ultimate Karachi biryani recipe. Today we're bringing you the rich, aromatic, and flavorful dish that defines the essence of Karachi. Step 1. Marinate the chicken. Paste, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, and a pinch of salt. Add chicken pieces and marinate for at least 30 minutes to infuse deep flavors. Step 2. Prepare the biryani base. Heat oil in a large pot, add sliced onions, and cook until golden brown. Toss in tomatoes, green chilies, and the marinated chicken. Let it simmer until the chicken is tender and fully cooked, releasing an incredible aroma. Step 3. Cook the rice. In a separate pot, parboil basmati rice with whole spices like cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon for that fragrant touch. Drain the rice once it's 70% cooked. Step 4. Layering. Now, layer the chicken curry and half-cooked rice in alternating layers. Don't forget to sprinkle fried onions, fresh coriander, mint, and saffron-infused milk between layers. Step 5. Dum cooking. Seal the pot with a tight lid and cook on low heat for about 20 minutes, allowing all the spices and flavors to blend perfectly. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Your Karachi biryani is ready. Garnish with more fried onions and serve with a side of raita or salad. Taste the magic in every bite. Enjoy your meal.